Hey lovelies, it's Simply Louie. So today's video is an extreme shower clean with me. I hope you all enjoyed this video, whether you need some cleaning motivation or you just love to watch other people clean. So let's go ahead and do the cleaning. Now I know that my shower is extremely gross. I'm going to show you how I make it sparkling clean. First, I'm going to show you how to clean the shower and remove any soap scum. Then I will show you how to remove hard water stains left behind that won't come off. And lastly, I am going to finish off by showing you how to protect your glass doors so they stay cleaner longer. I sprayed some flash bleach spray on the shower floor. We'll leave it to dwell. Doing so will give the bleach time to break down and loosen up any soap scum, which will make removing the buildup very easy because I allowed the bleach to do the hard work. I am now mixing the distilled vinegar with the dishwashing liquid and we'll leave it to dwell just like I did with the bleach. This will give the vinegar time to break down the soap scum on the glass doors. So after the 2 to 3 minutes has passed, I'm going to go in and scrub down the glass doors with a non-scratch sponge. Removing the soap scum is easy because I allowed the vinegar to break down all the soap scum. Next, we are going to remove any hard water stains. To remove them, all you need is some steel wool. This is one of the best tips that I could ever give because it works so well. And you can do the exact same thing with your water taps and faucets if they have any water stains on them. Make sure to get the finest steel wool you can get. If you get an abrasive steel wool, it will scratch your glass doors and your faucets, and you do not want that. So make sure you get the finest steel wool that you can get. So now I'm going to use the elbow grease bathroom mousse. I'm going to spray some on the shower mixer, the shower head, and also on the shower walls. And then I'll go in with the soft sponge and just scrub off all the soap scum. So now you can see that all the horrible, disgusting soap scum that was in the shower drain has all come off because I left the bleach to do all the hard work. So now after we are done with all the scrubbing, we're just going to rinse off the shower with shower spray and make sure that all the dirt comes off. Now this is the exciting part. Now that the glass door has been cleaned, this is how you keep it clean longer. Spray some window cleaner on your glass door, get a fiber cloth and buff it in. This will act as a water repellent. So the way that the water repellent works is that when the water touches your glass doors, the water will fall straight down to the bottom of your glass door, which will not allow soap scum and water spots to stick to your glass door. From time to time, you have to repeat the steps in this video to keep your shower clean. If you have any tips on how you keep your shower clean, please don't forget to comment in the comment section so everyone can see them. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all. Bye-bye.